Are you looking for the 5 best vlogging cameras for 2023, tested and reviewed? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best vlogging cameras for 2023, tested and reviewed on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GoPro Hero 11 Black Waterproof Action Camera. Why we picked it. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is an action cam first and foremost, but it also offers a lot to vloggers, including a front-facing color LCD and support for high-quality audio via the Media Mod add-on. It also makes sense as a secondary camera to grab shots you can't get with a big ILC, think extreme slow motion, underwater, and mounted point-of-view footage. Vloggers eyeing the Hero 11 as their main camera should splurge for the $599.99 Creator Edition, which includes the Volta battery handle, the Media Mod mic, and a video light. Who it's for. Your vlog can certainly benefit from the creative shots that the tiny, mountable Hero 11 Black can get. The waterproof build and slow-motion recording options also come in handy for outdoor and nature work. Number 2. Insta360x3 Waterproof 360 Action Camera. Why we picked it. The dual-lens Insta360x3 probably shouldn't be your only camera for vlogs, but it's unique in its ability to grab mind-bending hyperlapse footage and give your viewers a true sense of your surroundings. It can go pretty much anywhere, too, thanks to a rugged, waterproof build. Who it's for. Consider the X3 if you want to add some special effects shots to your vlogs. It offers the rare combination of excellent hardware and powerful, easy-to-use software. Insta360's full-featured mobile app makes the X3 especially appealing for vloggers who cut video on a phone or tablet. Number 3. Panasonic LUMI X-GH6 25 2MP Mirrorless Micro Four Thirds Camera. Why we picked it. As far as video cameras go, the GH series is top flight. The Lumix GH6 supports 7K 60 and 4K 120 with ProRes, works with Micro Four Thirds lenses, and has a fan to keep video rolling in hot environments. Who it's for. If your vlog is more broadcast level than up and coming, the Panasonic Lumix GH6 makes sense. It's better than 4 Kelvin resolution and ProRes capture format specs are overkill for many, but consistent with those of other high-end cameras. Thus, the GH6 is a common choice among those who vlog about photo and video gear. Number 4. Nikon Z30 with wide-angle zoom lens. Why we picked it. If you can't handle the ZV-E1's high price, consider the crop sensor Nikon Z30. It takes the imaging engine from the photocentric Z50 and puts it in a design that's more conducive to video and vlogs. It skips an EVF and in-body flash in favor of a swing-out LCD and excellent microphone. Video tops out at 4K 30 and relies on digital stabilization, however, so you need a gimbal for most handheld work. Who it's for. The Z30 can roll better 4 Kelvin video than a phone or small camera, plus offers the creative flexibility of interchangeable lenses. It doesn't do as much as the high-end Sony ZV-E1, but it's a suitable, affordable match for the Nikkor ZDX 12-28mm f3 5-5.6p ZVR lens. If you prefer Sony glass, the ZV-E10 is worth a look instead. Number 5. Sony ZV-1 II Vlog Camera. Why we picked it. Sony established the vlogging compact concept with the original ZV-1 and improved on that formula with this Mark II version. The updated camera includes an extra-wide 18-50mm lens for more effective digital stabilization, 8-bit 4K 30 video, and a 3-capsule mic for clear audio. On the downside, neither the battery life nor the rear screen is very good. Who it's for. If you want a small, all-in-one solution for video, the ZV-1M2 is a suitable pick. You don't have to worry about changing lenses with it, and the built-in mic works surprisingly well in most scenarios. Vlog-friendly features like face priority metering, background defocus, and product showcase also make it a clear upgrade over a smartphone.